Hey everyone, how are you all, my beautiful, lovely friends? I hope you all are doing great and having a very happy and healthy life with your family, with your friends. So, my friends, my today's video is going to be all about 1800 calorie Indian diet plan to lose your weight, to stay fit, and also to stay positive. If you want to maintain a good weight, if you want to maintain a good and healthy lifestyle, I think this diet plan will help you. So, now without wasting any time, let's start. So first of all, in the morning you have to take lukewarm water with lemon and honey. You know, in my previous videos also I shared with you all that this type of lukewarm water with lemon and honey I always prefer to drink in the morning time. And my friends, this 1800 calorie diet plan is perfect for your husbands also. So yes, my hubby always follow this type of diet plan. So you can say this is what my hubby eats in a day kind of diet plan, and also this is in general a regular healthy diet plan. So this is a morning drink. And now it's breakfast time. You have to have your breakfast around 8 to 8:30 if you want to maintain a good weight. And also my friends, after waking up within 2 hours you have to finish your breakfast, and in between you can do your morning exercise for 15 to 30 minutes. So here for today's breakfast I am making high protein dal sandwich. I have boiled this moong dal with some veggies like carrots, beans and also spinach. So everything is well cooked and well boiled now, and I have transferred it into this bowl. And here also I have cut some cucumber, tomatoes, some green chili, and also one piece of lemon and some spinach. Morning breakfast should be protein and fiber enriched, and that's why I always prefer to give him this type of breakfast. And also personally I also love to have this type of breakfast. And here some chopped onion and chopped green chili, 2 pieces of brown breads, and also here is paprika powder and some oregano. Here is olive oil. Olive oil is very healthy for your health, and black pepper and salt. So let's start. Sandwich stuffing is almost ready. Here I already told you I boiled my dal and veggies. But now here in this bowl I am adding some ingredients in this stuffing like paprika powder, oregano, chopped onion, chopped green chili, little bit of salt, and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and some black pepper powder too. Now with the help of a spoon I am mixing everything well. So my friends, if you don't want to eat moong dal in the morning time, you can make this recipe with boiled egg, also with boiled chicken. So I always prefer to have a high protein breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of a day, and this type of high protein and high fiber breakfast will keep you full for the longer period of day. And also my friends, you will feel energetic throughout the day, and it's very good for your weight loss journey too. Today I am making this sandwich with ghee. This is a vegetable sandwich, and in Veggie Day you can make your sandwich even with ghee. Ghee is a very good source of fat. I am going to lightly fry my brown bread pieces. You already know that I have shared Rujuta Dibakar ma'am's diet plan, and she always tells us to have ghee in our diet. This is a pure cow ghee, and this is organic ghee, and it's absolutely good for your joint health and also for your bone health. And now quickly I'm going to make my sandwich. My breads are well toasted now, and now I have added some stuffing on top of the bread, some fresh spinach leaves, cucumber, tomatoes, and also onion rings, little bit of more the stuffing, and some salt, and just a pinch of pepper, and that's it. So here my sandwich is almost ready. I'm going to cover it up with another piece of bread, and it's looking super delicious and super duper healthy. So my friends, as I told you, you can make this sandwich with eggs, with chicken, or even with tuna fish. But today I am making this sandwich in a vegetarian way. This is a vegetarian full day diet plan. So here I have added lots of fresh salad on the side. Here is the breakfast. And here is your breakfast is absolutely ready. This is 400 calorie breakfast, around 350 to 400 calorie. And along with your breakfast, you can always have some nuts, but you have to have it in a limited quantity. So some dry fruits. In dry fruits, I prefer to have some dates or some raisins and walnut, almond, or sometimes I love to have 2 or 3 pieces of cashews too. So yes, nuts with this fresh high protein high fiber sandwich. And also as your mid morning snack around 10:30 to 11, you can have some apple. So this is for my husband, so I'll give this apple to him and he'll have it later in the office. So this is how this whole platter looks like. And now it's time to pack a good lunch for him. And this lunchbox is very healthy, and also it's loaded with protein, vitamin, minerals and essential other nutrients. So yes, here I'm folding some parathas. These parathas I made with little amount of ghee and also with olive oil. So it's very healthy, and also I made this paratha with whole wheat flour, so it's definitely fiber enriched and good for your weight loss journey. And salad is a must. So yes, I have cut some fresh cucumber and some carrots. Carrots and cucumber both are excellent for your weight loss journey, and you should always take this kind of fresh salad with your lunch. And also here in this bowl you can see I have made aloo gobi ki sabji with some dhania patta on top. And this aloo gobi ki sabji is excellent for your quick breakfast and quick lunch menu, because it doesn't take much time to get cooked properly. So within just 15 to 20 minutes I made this aloo gobi ki sabji for his lunch box. And with this aloo gobi ki sabji I already added some soybean. So with soybean, this is actually extra protein enriched. So please make sure, if you are vegetarian or if you want to maintain a vegetarian diet plan for a day, you should always add dal, rajma, chole or any kind of soybean in your diet. So yes, for this lunch box I gave him this aloo gobi ki sabji with some soybean. And here in this small bowl you have seen I have given him some semolina. So yes, or suji. So this is how the whole lunch box looks like. I hope you liked it. How the lunchbox looks like. It's ready almost. 400 calorie lunchbox is absolutely ready. As a mid-morning snack, I have given him 1 apple and 1 apple extra if he feels more hungry. Now here comes the evening snacks. So as evening snacks, I always prefer to give him something light but something filling. So for me also, I love to have peanut salad. So here is peanut salad, 1 piece of oats cookies and some grapes. Or instead of peanut salad, you can always have some poha. Poha is our favorite Indian style snacks or breakfast menu. So this is poha with some tea. And now it's delicious dinner time. You have to finish your dinner around 7:30 to 8. And if you feel hungry when you are going to sleep, then you can have 1 cup of turmeric milk, as I am showing you in this clip. And for today's dinner, I have made some dal, sauteed vegetable and 1 piece of roti with some ghee. So this is how the whole dinner platter looks like. Also here I am giving you one more option for dinner, and this is also a healthy dinner option. If you don't want to have any chapati in the dinner time, then you can have some rice, and with rice you have to have one form of protein. So today I am giving him some chole chawal. This is absolutely healthy Indian dinner combination, so you can have it in the lunchtime too, and with that you can have some yogurt and also some fresh salad. And instead of this chole, you can have some rajma always. And this is a very small amount of rice, minimum amount of rice. I am showing you this steel bowl. So 1 bowl of rice and also 1 bowl of chole. So chole and rice, I have made this rice with some turmeric and jeera. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my 1800 calorie Indian diet plan, and this is pretty much my husband's what I eat in a day kind of a video. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Yes, this diet plan is not a very fixed one. You can definitely change your menu. Today I have shared vegetarian menu, but yes, you can make it in a non-vegetarian way. Instead of chole, you can always have some chicken in the night time, or in the lunchtime you can have some fish. In the morning you can have some eggs. So I hope you have enjoyed all the recipes that I have shared. I'll see you guys super soon with a new video. Tata, bye bye, love.